Okay, now we go with the pepitas. Let's say pepitas. Hello, welcome to my DianaTipps channel. Today I'm gonna do my first makeup tutorial in English. So I hope you understand me and forgive my mistakes. I'm learning, and making these videos help me a lot to improve my English. You have asked me a lot for the tutorial of this makeup, and today we're gonna do it. So the main thing you need is this and glitter glue. Then let's get started. We start with a primer. This is the Professional by Benefit. So apply a little on the cheeks and nose. Now we apply the foundation. This is my favorite by Vogue, and this is new. Just a little all over the face and neck. I love this foundation. It's very glowy and very slight, but this sponge is very hard, a little hard. How beautiful the foundation looks. Now I pat concealer on my dark circles and my eyelids. This is by Vogue Cosmetics and I love it. I love it. I'm blending with the fingers softly. Also here. Now I pat the powder all over the face with this brush. Okay, now I pat the contour with this darker powder. This is new. And we blend perfectly. Also a little on the nose. Now I put my blush. Look, I have this palette safe and yesterday I found it. I'm gonna take this color. Oh, so beautiful. Oh, I love it. Now I put a little highlight. I'm gonna pat this one by Vogue with this brush. Now on the nose and the lips. Okay, now we go with the eyebrows. I'm gonna use this palette. It's very cheap. Look. I'm gonna take this color and this brush. I change color for this better. Yes, this better. The other was very clear. This is perfect for me. Wow, I love this palette. Okay, now we go with the pepitas. Let's say pepitas. Now I wear glitter glue here, over here. With this small brush, I put a little in the eye. Now I pat my falsies eyelashes. Okay, falsies eyelashes, check. Now I pat eyeliner here. And finally, I pat my lipstick. This one is by Isabella. Oh my god, I love it! Okay babies, this is my makeup today. Please tell me in the comments if you like the makeup, and tell me also if you understand me, my English.